Welcome to the most effective and evergreen Google Earning Secrets HD video training course. We are very pleased to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. If you want to earn sustainable full-time income from Google quickly and easily the legitimate way, then you are in the right place. This video course is designed to give you the soup-to-nuts guidance on how to generate life-changing income from Google. We will teach you everything that will help you learn how to make real and sustainable wealth from Google. Let's get started. The online world is the decisive power that operates many activities required in this technology-driven world. Google is no doubt the king of the online world. It opens so many doors of opportunities that only the countless word can describe its versatility. People depend on Google for various purposes. Nowadays, how to earn money from Google is a big question in everyone's mind. Are you among those who are finding a Google online job? For sure. You are also among those who are interested in knowing more about how to earn money online with Google. Through varied ways, humans worldwide are earning a good amount of currency by doing Google online work. Some prefer to spend many hours, even the whole day for this purpose, while some believe in spending less time in exchange for a satisfactory amount. Video number 1. Google Earning Secrets HD Training Video. Video number 2. How to earn using Google AdMob ads. Video number 3. Top tips to make money with Google AdSense. Video number 4. How to make sales using Google Shopping. Video number 5. How to make more money with Google Opinion Rewards. Video number 6. Effective strategies to make money on YouTube. Video number 7. Every local business must market with Google My Business Listing. Video number 8. Boost your sales with Google Merchant. Video number 9. How to make money with Google Hangouts. Video number 10. How to make money with your Google Gmail account. Video number 11. How to use a Google Voice number to boost your small business income. Video number 12. Maximize revenue with Google Ad Manager. Video number 13. How to completely optimize your Google My Business listing. Video number 14. Google Play for Business Overview. Video number 15. Contribute to Google Maps and earn points. Many ways can help you to get any of the Google online jobs, so stop thinking about how to earn money with Google. Just find a Google online work that suits you best and then keep exploring the related opportunities. If you want to work online for Google and get paid, go through the entire session carefully. You cannot measure the deepness of the sea with a small measuring scale. It is much wider and deeper, much more than your expectations. Nowadays, the question, how to earn money from Google, seems a cliche, but real money is hidden behind it. Google is not less than a set of scopes. Just use this platform with the right amount of patience and smart work. Soon after some dedicated and determined efforts, money is sure to come. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video lesson.